Any question? Yes, sir.
I also need a bridge.
You need a bridge?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, what do you need? Wait, microphone.
We do all kinds of visas, down to etiquetting,
Okay.
study abroad, work visas.
Please, come. We're wasting resources. That we're already wasting it. We don't waste it. Now you have to pass on be that. I know they waste time. I don't carry camera, I don't shoot. We don't waste it. At this time, I want to change the settings. Why? I want them to see something. You see now, when I was saying I'll shoot the next video, I said I'll shoot it in the right environment. So now, see what I want to do now. The first one was like this now. Now this one I want to turn like this so that they will see that we are in a class. Do you understand? So then you will not say what he wants to say. Are you getting my point? Now, so I'm looking at it now. It's not clear, so I want to look. Okay, now here's clear. So come this way, sir. Let's see. This is not nice. So I'm looking for a very good place where your face will show. So just hold on now. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Let's see. This is good. So we have to go like this. All right. This is that light. There's a light there. There's a light. Don't remove it. Just leave it. I want to say, okay, I can block it with my head. Okay, so enter the shot. You are not in the shot.
Okay.
Okay, so now, since you see the first person, I did not coach him. Did you guys understand?
Yes.
Now I want to coach him now. I want to tell him what to say because I already know what to say, how to say it, and why you should say it. So now what I want you to say is this. It's not a script. Express yourself. Forget about mistakes. The mistake does not count. Just talk to the camera as though you are talking to me. All the things that you do. Don't stress. Don't say what you need. Just tell us what you do, your value, the thing you want to offer the people. So let me pose the camera very well. Okay, enter the shot. Are you in the shot?
Yes, I'm in the shot.
Now go.
Okay, I'm a travel consultant. I do all kinds of visas, whether it's a study abroad, whether it is tourism, whether it's work visa you need, down to etiquetting, I do them. Then I also do private jet charter. If you need a private jet, I can get all the logistics for you down to wherever you want to go to. And I also do marketing concerning anything concerning travel in the world at all.
Wow.
Thank you.
Do you have any jet lag? How do you call it? You know when the jet is...
Yes, we have all access to that wherever in the world you need it.
What's jet lag for those who don't know?
Jet lag is a place where a client and his or her cohort can come and take off from there. And also, there are things that you need to have within yourself, within the place you want to go.
Right, now,
Jesus.
Well done. So there's something I did there. So I'll edit the video. What I did is that I wanted him to talk more. Can come this way, sir.
Okay.
I wanted him to talk more. Do you understand? Because I know that when he's not free and he's talking more, some other things will come up. But when it starts, that's why you see me, I shoot plenty videos. Are you learning?
Yes.
Are you learning?
Yes, sir.
You say you shoot the video once, you don't post them. You can shoot the video again. Nobody will beat you. Shoot the video again, post it. Leave the previous one. Leave her with the mistake. Not delete her. Post another one. So I wanted him to talk more. I wasn't trying to put him on the spot by asking him a question. No. I just want to say something that, let him just talk more. So now, what I will not do with this video now, I will cut out some parts where, like when I asked him the question, I took him unaware. He didn't expect a question, right? So I'll cut out that part. I will stick with the part where he portrayed himself and said, we do this, we do that, we do that, we do this. Even right here, people, they will need visa. Okay, hold on. Let me save this one first. I don't want to waste anything. Just watch you. Here we did now. Good. Okay. Is there anybody here that needs Is there anybody here that needs a visa? Like you want to travel to any country?
One thing about visas is that you think that you need millions to get a visa. No, you don't need millions to get a visa. Just come. We'll show you experience. Like day before yesterday, we did a visa for a woman for France. She was so excited. She don't have a lot of money. She just come.
That's Schengen.
Yeah, Schengen visa. For most African countries, that one is ASAP. Then European countries, we can get it done for you. I can get it done for you. With the bank of knowledge I have, I'm planning to open my own travel agency too. Yeah.
So I'll say, okay, now you can go to your seat, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Come and take your mic. All of this that we have done is one part. I'm going to post this, right? Because we need practicals. Do you understand? Here's the point. If I keep dwelling on this, we will not learn more. Do you understand? So I will leave this for a while, teach more, then I'll come back to this. Do you understand? So that we can learn more. I want us to keep going forward. Now, how many people do we have on the live stream? Maybe they go their house now. Maybe they go their house.